Get ready to wander, wonder, and weave through the wonders of our beautiful planet. This is Tour A Travel. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden gems of travel, taking you off the beaten path and into the heart of Oslo, Norway, the Enigmatic Vigeland Sculpture Park. Do you know what makes Oslo, Norway so enchanting? Brace yourself as we unveil the mysteries of the captivating Vigeland Sculpture Park. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of art, nature, and emotions as we explore the Enigmatic Vigeland Sculpture Park in Oslo, Norway. Are you ready to be blown away by Gustav Vigeland's masterpieces? Brace yourself for a visual feast that will leave you in awe. Do you know that the Vigeland Sculpture Park is the world's largest sculpture park created by a single artist? Let's delve into its fascinating history. Have you ever seen a park that boasts over 200 captivating sculptures, all created by the same visionary artist? Well, get ready to be amazed. Prepare to be mesmerized as we uncover the intricate details and symbolism hidden within each of Gustav Vigeland's sculptures. Get ready to embark on a visual journey through the park's various sections, each offering a unique and thought-provoking experience. Get ready to be immersed in the dynamic energy of the Wheel of Life, a sculpture that represents the eternal cycle of existence. Get ready to be inspired by the fountain section, where water merges with art to create a tranquil and awe-inspiring atmosphere. Have you ever thought about the significance of the granite obelisk located at the highest point of the park? Join us as we uncover its meaning. Prepare to be enchanted by the unique combination of nature, art, and human emotions that make the Vigeland Sculpture Park a must-see destination. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty and wonder of Oslo's Vigeland Sculpture Park, a place where art truly comes alive. Don't miss out on the opportunity to witness the exquisite craftsmanship and heartfelt expressions that adorn the Vigeland Sculpture Park. Join us on this intriguing journey as we unravel the mysteries and delve into the artistic wonders of the Vigeland Sculpture Park in Oslo, Norway.